Okay, so one question is there written on the board, right? And this is a question from time and work and asked in some Olympiad paper. Someone has asked it as a doubt, so I'm explaining this one. Question says 8 children and 12 men complete a work in 9 days. If each child takes twice the time taken by a man to finish a work, in how many days 12 men finish the same work? This is the particular question. Okay, so the time taken by a child is double, twice of the time taken by a man. Now let time taken by a man to finish the work x days. Now child is taking double of the time, so obviously one child will take 2x days. So time taken by a child to finish the work, it would be 2x days. Now one man can finish the job in x days. So in one day, what part of the work can be done by a man? Therefore, in one day, work finished by a man. Obviously, that would be 1 by x. Since in x days, we can write in detail. Okay, I'm writing here. Since in x days, one man finish one work. Therefore, in one day, one man can finish 1 by x part of work, right? Now there are 12 men. Therefore, in one day, 12 men can finish the work 12 by x part of work. So this is the work finished by 12 people in one day. Similarly, in 2x days, one child does one work. Therefore, in one day, one child will do 1 by 2x part of work. Now, children are 8, right? Therefore, in one day, work done by 8 child would be 8 by 2x part, which is equal to 4 by x part of work. So, in one day, one child will finish 8 child will finish 4 by x part of the work, and in one day 12 men will finish 12 by x part of the work. Now they are working together and is there, right? So therefore in one day work done by 8 children and 12 men, obviously we have to add 12 by x plus 4 by x, which is equal to 16 by x. So total time taken would be reciprocal of this, which is x by 16. We can again write by unitary method. 16 by x part of work is done in one day, therefore one part will be done by 1 upon 1 by 16 by x, and ultimately we will get x by 16 days. Now according to question, this x by 16 in the question given equal to 9 days. So x is equal to 16 into 9, 144 days. Now x was the number of days taken by a man. So time taken by one man to finish the work, that is 144 days. It means, therefore, in one day, one man finishes how much? 1 by 144 part of work, right? Reciprocal of this. And in the question, it is asking in how many days 12 men finish the same work. So this is work done by one man in one day. Therefore, in one day, 12 men can finishes 12 by 144, which is 1 by 12 part of work. This part of work done by 12 men in one day. Therefore, total time taken by 12 men to finish the work. Again reciprocal of this, and that will be 12 days. Finally, the answer is 12 days. Fine. I hope you get it. Just watch it again and again. At the end, you will get it. Bye. Take care.